Hi guys, Kris here from Mat4Tech. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to get a hands-on experience on the new FireFox OS. All you need to do this is an Android device and you're good to go. What Firefox has actually done is they have released an app which acts like a launcher on your Android device, giving you an hands-on experience on how a Firefox device will actually work. The app is not available on the Play Store. You need to download it from the website and sideload it onto your device. I have provided the links to the website and the download location in the video description. If you still want to get the first-hand experience of the Firefox OS, you can download this OS and install it onto your device. But please do check if your device is compatible. Now, let's copy this Android APK file onto your device. The first thing you need to do is to go into your settings app and go into your security settings and enable installation of APK from unknown resources if you have not enabled it already. We enable this so that we can sideload any APK from a non-Google Store resource. Now go to your File Explorer and go to the location where the APK file has been placed. Now click to install it. There will be a set of actions for which you need to accept before installing. The installation procedure will not take long. On successful installation, close it and go back to your settings app. In your settings app, find the option to choose your default launcher. In the option, now you will find one extra entry for the Firefox OS launcher. Now when we press the home button, you will be presented with a list of launchers. Choose the Firefox launcher. It will take a couple of minutes to actually load the Firefox launcher for the first time. During the first boot, it will try to download any elements which is required for its setup. Here we are at the home screen. We are presented with a vertical scrolling list of apps that are installed in your phone in the row of 3. At the top, we have a persistent search bar using which we could either search the web or the list of apps in your phone. To the right, we have a widget for bookmarking your web pages, and on the top, from the notification bar, when dragging down, you could find some quick toggles. And to the left, we have the on pulling the notification bar twice, we could actually see the native Android notification screen. Now you can also see there is a download going on for an update to the current Firefox OS launcher. Let the download progress while we look at the other features and settings of the Firefox OS launcher. Now let's go into the settings of the launcher to see what do we have. The fourth toggle on the notification drawer is actually the settings icon. Going into the settings, you could see there is an option to transmit your location. Getting into the Wi-Fi settings, you can actually disable and enable Wi-Fi from here and connect to any desired network. This screen looks slightly different to our native Android Wi-Fi screen. A footnote: the back button in your Android device will not work anymore. In case you want to go back to your previous screen, you need to use the icon on the top left-hand corner of your screen to go back to your previous screen. Going back to the settings main screen, you will find a list of settings options as usual in any Android device, like the sound, display, home screen, and whatnot. Pressing the home button takes you back to the home screen. There are still some icons at the top of the rows which are not populated yet, and just to know, the download for the Firefox OS launcher is almost ready. Let's now update it. Also to note, the multitasking button will not work anymore. The multitasking is done by another shortcut which we will discuss further down in the video. The update has been installed. Let's now go back to the Firefox OS launcher. It will take the same amount of time as the initial load to reload again. Let me come back to you guys once the launcher is loaded. We are back. It looks like all the applications have been loaded. Also, as part of the update, there are few applications which are installed in the Firefox OS launcher, replacing the native apps like the dialer, messaging and the music app. We can still reach out to the default or the native notification screen by double dragging the notification window. The persistent search bar on the top, which helps you either search the web or the application drawer. Now we could see all the apps and the icons are loaded. Let's get into the settings icon and let's try and change the home screen settings. Maybe we could try to see if we can change the number of icons in the layout of the home screen. Yes, we can, but we are limited with the option of either choosing 3 or 4 columns. There are certain more options to customize your home screen using the market from the Firefox OS launcher. Going back to the home screen, we could see the updated launcher with a row of 4 icons instead of 3 as before. The notification drawer is quite simple with limited number of toggles which cannot be changed. Now we could see the home screen has been rearranged with the smaller icons to accommodate 4 icons in a row. To the right, we have a screen where we can pin or bookmark pages, since this is a launcher made by the Firefox whose main purpose is as a browser. On double tapping on the home button, it takes you to our multitasking window. Swiping up on any application removes it from the list. What we see here is the default music application as part of the Firefox OS launcher. This is one of the native apps that is installed as part of the OS launcher. This is Firefox take for a mobile operating system. Also, it is a very good approach from Firefox, enabling the user to try out new OSs without having to root or break their warranty in their existing devices. A good way to go. So, this is Firefox launcher for you. It gives you a first-hand experience on how the OS will look like. Anyways, this is me. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section down below. Or if you have any questions, you can always hit me up on Twitter at @MatForTech. As always, hope you found this video useful. If so, please hit that like button. And for more videos like this, please be subscribed to the channel. Good day, take care, bye bye.